Hi, welcome to Thinking School English, where every week we're going to read and share a lesson from popular books when it comes to leadership or management. Today, I'm going to read a part of Chapter 5, The Law of the Change, from the book 17 Indisputable Laws of Teamwork by John Maxwell. Let's begin. Chapter 5. The Law of the Chain. The strength of the team is impacted by its weakest link. The impact of a weak link. If you are a team leader, you cannot avoid dealing with weak links. Team members who don't carry their own weight slow down the team, and they have a negative effect on your leadership. Several things may happen when a weak link remains on the team. Number 1. The stronger members identify the weak one. A weak link cannot hide, except in a group of weak people. If you have a strong people on your team, they always know who isn't performing up to the level of everyone else. Number 2. The stronger members have to help the weak one. If your team must work together as a team to do their work, then they have only two choices when it comes to a weak teammate. They can ignore the teammate and allow the team to suffer, or they can help him and make the team more successful. If they are team players, they will help. Number 3. The stronger members come to resent the weak one. Whether strong team members help or not, the result will always be the same: resentment. If no one likes to lose or fall behind consistently because of the same person. Number 4. The stronger members become less effective. Carrying someone else's load in addition to your own compromises your performance. Do that for a long time, and the whole team suffers. Number 5. The stronger members question the leader's ability. Anytime the leader allows a weak link to remain a part of the team members forced to compensate for the weak person begin to doubt the leader's courage and discernment. You lose the respect of the best when you don't deal properly with the worst. Many team members may be able to avoid the hard decision of dealing with subpar members, but leaders cannot. In fact, one of the differences between leaders and followers is action. Followers often know what to do, but they are unwilling or unable to follow through. But know this: if other people on the team make decisions for you because you are unwilling or unable to make them, then the leadership is compromised, and you are not serving the team well. Strengthening this chain. Weak team members take more of team time strong ones. Other reason is that the more competent people have to give their time to compensate for those who don't carry their share of the load. The greater the difference in competence between more accomplished performers and the less accomplished ones, the greater the detriment to the team. For example, if you rate people on the scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, a 5 among 10s really hurt the team, where an 8 among 10s often does not. Let me show you how it works. When you put together a group of people, their talents come together in a way that is analogous to addition. So visually, a 5 among 10s look like this: 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5 equal 45. The difference between the team and great ones with 5 10s is likely the difference between 50 and 45. That's the difference of 10%. But once a team comes together and starts to develop chemistry, synergy, and momentum, is analogous to multiplication, that's when a weak link really starts to hurt the team. It's the difference between 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equal 100,000. And this 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 5 equals 50,000. That's a difference of 50%. The power and momentum of the team may be able to compensate for a weak link for a while, but not forever. A weak link eventually robs the team of momentum and potential. As long as a weak link is a part of the team, everyone else on the team will suffer. That is part of the law of the change. What do you think? Have you ever come across a weak member before? Did your team suffer because of that member? How do you deal with that member? And when is the time to let go? I encourage you to read the rest of the chapter and find out the answer for yourself. Goodbye and see you next week.